Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So today we're doing another Halloween tutorial because all October we are doing Halloween looks. This one is super simple and easy, and most likely you can do it with all of the products in your personal makeup kit already, which is a plus. If you're interested to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so for this Scarecrow look, I have already started with my foundation and eyebrows, and I've prepped my eyes off camera, only because, again, to save time. I've said that in a couple of other videos, but you don't need to see me dabbing my face for like 10 minutes straight. If you'd like an updated eyebrow tutorial, because things have changed a little bit, let me know in the comment section below, and I will try and get that to you guys after Halloween. But all a Scarecrow look is like a glamour look with a couple patches and like slash marks. So it's really, again, like the deer, nothing to be intimidated about. I really tried to pick simple, easy looks for Halloween this year, mainly because I ain't got time, and also I know a lot of people out there just need like last minute things. You just throw on a chambray top, a hat, and away you go. Or you could do a flannel. Either way. We are going into the Morphe 35O. I'm going to keep the eye pretty like warm and like orangey, so I'm taking a Morphe E28 and I'm going into hay, that's the color, and I'm just putting that above my crease as my transition. Then I'm taking Sting, same brush, and I'm putting that in my crease, just slightly below, and mixing it with the hay. Now here we're going to get like real cray, because I'm gonna do like an all over color on the lid and it's gonna be bright. So bear with me. I'm using Extra, and it is this orange color up in the corner, and I'm using a Morphe Y18, and I'm going to be packing / blending this all over the lid. Now with my finger, I'm going to go and I'm going to take Legacy, and I'm just going to be swiping this or kind of pressing it on the inner third / inner corner, just to kind of zhuzh up the extra color. And now with my NYX Epic Ink Liner, I'm just going to do a wing, nothing like fancy, it's really simple. And I always save lashes for last, so I'm going to quickly go off camera and do the other eye, and we'll be back to finish the face. Okay, before we get into the detail work, we still have to highlight, well, conceal, highlight, and contour a little bit. And so I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in light sand, and I'm just going to conceal like I normally would. Under the eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, chin. And lightly set your concealer with some powder. I'm using the Coty Airspun powder. And then to bronze the face, I'm not going to do any cream bronzer because I just kind of want to keep this look really, really light. So I'm going to use Benefit's Hoola Light with a Morphe E34, which again, this is kind of dense, but I've been really liking it as like bronzing, contouring. And then don't forget about your nose. And now we can move on to some of the detail work of the Scarecrow. So I have looked up many Scarecrow looks for ideas and inspiration for this video, and every single one of them has like a patch on the nose, stitches on the mouth, and then not all of them have like patches, but I think we're going to do like a patch or two just because I think it's fun. So we're going to start, this is Mayron foundation, it's grease paint makeup in the color orange, and I'm going to do a small little nose. And you don't have to do the whole nose, you just kind of want to do like a little oblong triangle, misshapen triangle. Then I'm going to use the Mayron foundation grease paint makeup in purple. So my Mayron makeup has failed me. It is a little old. But I'm just going to now use my generic face paint, water activated face paint from Amazon. And instead of purple, I'm going to use this like magenta-y color. And then still in my water activated paint, I'm going to use blue, and I'm going to make another patch somewhere on my cheek. Now while you're waiting for that to dry, you can do your lips, and all of the pictures that I have seen have done orange lips. You can choose whatever color lip you want. I'm going to use this NYX Ombre Lip Duo. It is in the color Peaches and Cream, and it is like a pale orangey, burnt orange color. And then you're going to do the detail work. I'm going to use the e.l.f. cream liner in black with a Morphe E19, mainly because I just have really been liking, well, I don't think I'm going to use that brush. Let's use this Morphe M250-2. I've just been really liking using this cream liner because it shows up like so unbelievably black. But you're just going to now put stitches on the color blocks as well as kind of make like a stitched smile. And then some of these looks show kind of like black lashes being brought down, so I'm going to take a small angled brush with the e.l.f. black cream liner, and I'm just going to kind of bring like lashes. I also put that black cream liner on my lower lash line too. And there are some people who put like stitches on their lips. I think I'm just going to keep them like this for right now because I kind of like the effect. And then don't forget the rosy cheeks. In all of these face charts there's rosy cheeks, so I'm going to be not face charts, but in all of these like inspo pics, I'm going to be using the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick, and this is in Rose Petal Pop, and I'm just going to do like 2 really big circles on my cheeks. And then with a small stippling brush, just kind of like soften out the edges. Alright, now all you have to do is lashes, so I'm going to be using the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. And I'm just going to lightly coat my lashes. And then I'm going to be applying some false lashes. I'm using the Ardell Mega Volume 250s. I really think that they're just going to kind of finish the look. You absolutely don't have to do this if you don't want to. Alright, and once you are done putting your lashes on, all you have to do is put your flannel or chambray top or button down, whatever you're wearing, with your jeans. Let your hair down. And if you have a straw hat, wear a straw hat. If you don't, it's okay. This is actually Emberly's. This is my daughter's, so it is child size. I got it from the Dollar Tree because I was going to make her a 4th of July hat. It's a long story, but long story longer, obviously that didn't happen. So now it's part of my Scarecrow costume. And yeah, this is the look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I think, again, this is one of those looks that I think is super cute. It's very last minute, and you can use pretty much everything that you have in your makeup already. Like for these like patches, you can just use eyeshadow. Like you don't need to use like cream, whatever. You don't even need to use the patches. It's eyeliner, lipstick, you know, eyeshadow. I just think it's really cute and versatile if you need something really last minute and you don't have money to like go out and buy a costume, because most people have a button down, jeans. The hat, again, you may or may not have. I didn't have a straw hat in adult sizes. Like I said, I only had it in Emberly sizes. But surprisingly, it fits well. So I'm not disappointed. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Did you like this? Did you not like it? Are you going to go as a scarecrow? Did I spark some inspiration for your Halloween costume? Let me know all of that in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Everything that I used will be linked in the description box below, so if you are looking to try out one, two, none products, all of that will be down below in the description box. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another Halloween tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.